Hi students. Next that is next example, reduction of following reagents, that is this compound reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, hydrogen by nickel and HI by red phosphorus. So what are the products students? First one, now take the lithium aluminum hydride. This lithium aluminum hydride is strong reducing agents. It can reduce general vinostion, it can reduce aldehydes, ketones, acid groups, acid derivatives, esters, like that amides and cyanates and isocyanates also. But in this given compound, here double bond is there, keto group is there, ester group is there. So lithium aluminum hydride can reduce ester group also, keto group also, but cannot reduce double bond. You remember student? Lithium aluminum hydride cannot reduce double bond and triple bond. So here what is the first production? This product is, that is A product is CH3. A product is, that is this, I am writing A production, CH3 CH double bond, then CH. This is keto group is there. This keto group is converted into alcohol, that is secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohols. Then after that, then CH2. Then ester group is there. Ester group is also converted into alcohol. CH2OH plus CH3OH. CH3 generally bond cleavage here, in this first bond cleavage here. So this is the first production. This lithium aluminum hydride cannot reduce double bond. It can reduce keto group, it can reduce alcohol. So CH2 CH2, then this COO group is converted into alcohol, plus here bond cleavage, the CH3O minus is left, the CH3O minus is converted to CH3 alcohols. Now second one student, same compound student, the same compound reduction with sodium borohydride. What is the role of sodium borohydride student? The sodium borohydride, that is weak reducer, it cannot reduce, remember student, sodium borohydride, it can reduce only aldehydes, ketones and cyanides and acid chloride only, but it cannot reduce ester group. Remember student, sodium borohydride cannot reduce ester group and double bond. In this compound, sodium borohydride can reduce only keto group only, cannot reduce double bond and ester group. So what is the B compound student? This B compound is, that is CH3 CH double bond CH, same thing, this keto group is converted into alcohol, that is CH secondary alcohol, keto group is converted into secondary alcohol, same thing, then CH2, then COO CH3, sodium borohydride cannot reduce, so that's why it is same thing, COO CH3. This is the first production, this is second production. This is the second product. So this sodium borohydride can reduce only keto group, cannot reduce double bond and ester. Next one. Now take the C compound. C compound, what is the C compound? That is hydrogen by nickel. That is catalytic hydrogenation. Nickel acts as a catalyst. That's why it is called catalytic hydrogenation. This catalytic hydrogenation, it can reduce everything student. It is very most important student. It is also reducing agent. It is strong reducer student. H2 by nickel, catalytic hydrogenation. Catalytic hydrogenation, it can reduce all, that is double bond, single bond, double bond, then is polar, non-polar double bond, non-polar triple bond, polar double bond, non-polar double, everything. CH2 H2 in the presence of nickel, it can reduce double bond, triple bond, keto group, ester groups, everything it can reduce. So now what is the production? It can reduce everything, double bond also reduce, keto group is also reduce, ester group also reduce. So what is the production? That is CH3. This CH double bond CH, this double bond is converted to single bond, CH3 is, then CH is converted to CH2, then double bond is converted to single bond, then after that, then CH2, then keto group is converted into alcohol, then after that CH2, then ester group also it can reduce, ester group is converted into alcohol plus CH3OH. This is the third compound. This is the third compound student. So this is the third compound student, that is it can reduce, that is H2 by nickel, it can reduce double bond, this double bond is converted into single bond, then it can reduce, keto group is converted to secondary alcohol, then ester group, this ester group is all converted into alcohol, this bond cleavage here, bond cleavage CH3, sorry, CH3, CH2, CH2, COH, CH2, CH2OH. From here CH2OH, then after that CH3OH. This is the final production. Now last one, student, that is fourth one. This compound react with HI, hydroiodic acid or hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus. What is the production? That is D composition. What is the D compound? What is the D production? This HI in the presence of red phosphorus, it can reduce keto groups. You remember, student, HI in the presence of red phosphorus, it can reduce aldehydes, ketones, acid chloride and ester also, but double bond cannot reduce, student. HI in the presence of red phosphorus cannot reduce double bond, it can HI red phosphorus, it can reduce keto group also and ester also. This keto group is converted into hydrocarbons. You remember, student, this keto group is converted into hydrocarbons, not alcohol. Remaining lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, H2 by nickel, these all are giving alcohol. Lithium also reduction with keto to give alcohols, sodium borohydride reduction with keto to give alcohols, and hydrogen, everything is giving alcohols. But HI in the presence of red phosphorus, this keto group is converted into CH2, that means hydrocarbons. This keto group is converted into CH2 hydrocarbon, ester group is converted into hydrocarbon. So what is the final production? That is, so this HI cannot reduce double bond, same thing as usual, same double bond cannot reduce, that is CH3, CH double bond, CH3 double bond, CH, then CH, then CH2, that is keto group is converted to CH2, not alcohol, CH2, then CH2, then CH3 plus then CH4. This is that ester group. This ester group also is converted into ethane, bond cleavage, student, here bond cleavage, student. So what is the final production? That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbons are there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6th carbon, that 6th carbon CO group, the CO group is converted into CH3 and OCH3 group is converted into CH4. This is the final production. This is a simple trick, student. The reduction of given following compound: lithium aluminum hydride can reduce only keto group and ester group, sodium borohydride it can reduce only keto group, and H2 by nickel it can reduce everything, double bond, keto group, ester, everything it can reduce. But HI in the presence of red phosphorus, it can reduce only keto group and ester group also. This ester group is converted into alkane, and keto group is converted into alkane, that is hydrocarbon. This is a simple trick, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Thank you. If you like my video, please click on like. Please don't forget, please click on like. Thank you.